China's southern province of Hainan, with its superior natural environment and development potential, has attracted many people looking for new opportunities in life. 36-year-old Tong Shuo used to work in Shanghai. A trip in Wanning of Hainan about 10 years ago gave him and his wife the idea of settling down in Hainan.
海南的气候比较好，也是第一次常住超过10天嘛，就越来越喜欢这里我们就在这儿长期居住了。
On April 13, 2018, Chinese President Xi Jinping announced a decision to support Hainan in developing the whole island into a pilot free trade zone and gradually exploring and steadily promoting the establishment of a free trade port with Chinese characteristics.
党中央决定海南是我们国家的自贸港，是我们决定真正留在这里发展自己未来的事业的最大的动力了。
In early 2021, Tong opened M1 Coffee Dream Factory, a coffee-themed creative workshop in Wanning. Over the past 2 years, the store has hosted more than 400,000 visits.
我们的咖啡传统这个游项目带动了我们相关行业的成长吧，对我们企业发展带来了巨大的信心吧。
Over the past 5 years, more than 180 policies and measures on tariff exemptions and trade and investment facilitation have gone into effect to support the development of the Hainan FTP. In April 2022, during an inspection tour in Hainan, President Xi called for accelerating the development of Hainan into a free trade port with Chinese characteristics and global influence. She said that Hainan will become a paradigm of reform and opening up in the new era.
海南过去10年我们真正的说是按照总书记的要求，以人民为中心的发展思想，让我们的老百姓有了获得感和幸福感。我认为总书记推动全面深化改革的力度和决心是前所未有的，是令人振奋的，是让我们充满信心的。
The people-centered approach is a guiding principle that runs through the undertaking of China's reform and opening up. As President Xi puts it, sound guidelines, policies and development plans must accord with the will, aspirations and expectations of the people. They should come from the people and serve their interests.